From smartphones to cars, appliances to electronics, we all rely on the products we buy to make our lives easier. But have you ever wondered why these items seem to break down just when the warranty runs out? Coincidence? Or is it all part of a plan, a carefully crafted strategy to keep us spending more and more money on repairs and replacements? Planned obsolescence is the idea that companies intentionally design products to fail or become outdated sooner than necessary. This forces consumers to either buy replacement parts or invest in new products, generating more revenue for these companies. Many point to the 1920s as the origin of this practice. One of the most famous examples is the Phoebus Cartel, a group of light bulb manufacturers that agreed to limit the lifespan of their bulbs to increase sales. This was one of the first documented cases of planned obsolescence. In today's world, smartphones are often cited as prime examples of planned obsolescence. Every year, new models are released with minimal improvements, while older devices mysteriously start slowing down after updates. Apple, for example, admitted to slowing down older iPhones, a practice they claimed was to preserve battery life. But many saw it as a tactic to push users toward upgrading. Whether it's your smartphone, car, or washing machine, the cost of repairs can sometimes feel like more than the item is worth. In many cases, consumers are left with no choice but to buy a replacement product, feeding an endless cycle of consumption. Beyond the financial impact, planned obsolescence has devastating environmental consequences. Millions of tons of electronic waste end up in landfills every year, contributing to pollution and the depletion of natural resources. But consumers are fighting back. The Right to Repair movement advocates for stronger laws that give people the ability to repair their own devices instead of being forced to buy new ones. In some places, laws are already changing, forcing companies to make parts available and extend product lifespans. So, are companies really designing products to fail just to make more money? While it may be hard to prove in every case, the evidence suggests that planned obsolescence is a very real and profitable strategy. The choice is ours: continue to buy into the cycle or push for change. Don't settle for products designed to fail. Stand up for your right to repair, demand more durable goods, and think twice before replacing something that can be fixed. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments if you've ever felt like your product was designed to fail.